Have you ever wondered how ancient wisdom can guide us to a healthier life today? Ayurveda, a holistic healing system from India, offers timeless tips for well-being. Stay tuned to discover simple daily practices that can transform your health. Ayurveda, meaning science of life, emphasizes balance in body, mind, and spirit. It's based on the belief that health and wellness depend on a delicate balance between the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Starting your day with a structured routine, known as Dinacharya, sets a positive tone. Begin by waking up early, ideally before sunrise, to align with nature's rhythms. Engage in practices like tongue scraping to remove toxins, followed by oil pulling to maintain oral health. A self-massage with warm oil rejuvenates the skin and stimulates circulation. Ayurveda teaches that mindful eating is crucial. Consume freshly prepared, warm meals at regular times each day. Incorporate all six tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, and astringent to ensure nutritional balance. Avoid distractions while eating to fully savor and digest your food. Regular physical activity keeps the doshas balanced. Engage in exercises like yoga or brisk walking during the morning hours to invigorate the body and calm the mind. Choose activities that suit your body's constitution and energy levels. Adequate rest is a pillar of health in Ayurveda. Aim to go to bed early around p.m. to ensure a restful night's sleep. Create a calming pre-sleep routine, such as reading or meditation, to unwind and prepare the mind for rest. Managing stress is essential for maintaining balance. Incorporate meditation or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine to center the mind and reduce anxiety. Even a few minutes each day can have profound effects on your overall well-being. Ayurveda advises adjusting your lifestyle and diet according to the seasons. For instance, during colder months, incorporate warming foods and spices, while in warmer seasons, opt for cooling and hydrating options. This adaptability helps maintain internal balance throughout the year. By embracing these Ayurvedic practices, you can cultivate a harmonious and healthy life. Remember, small, consistent changes lead to lasting well-being. Start integrating these tips today and experience the transformative power of Ayurveda.